In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to insert both Roman numerals and Arabic numerals in one document. In simple 4 steps, you can do this. So open your document and let's get into it. Step 1, we are going to insert page numbering. And to do this, you go to Insert, and then Page Number, and then bottom of page. Here you can decide to insert your number in left, right, or any format. But I want to insert it in the middle, so I select that. And our pages are numbered. To remove this footer, you click on Close Header and Footer. You can see our pages are numbered. In step 2, here we're going to break the page into 2. To do this, you need to scroll down to the page that you want to separate from the rest. I want to separate 4 pages from the rest, so you bring the cursor to that page under it. Like you can see, my cursor is blinking on the 4th page. Then you go to Layout. Then Break. You select Break. You scroll down to Next page. And here our page is broken, so you can see the cursor on the next page. In step 3, we're going to insert the Roman numerals. So you scroll to the top on the first page and put your cursor there. You then go to Insert, then Page Number. Format page numbers. And here you change the Arabic numerals to any format you want, but I'm selecting the Roman numerals. At the Start At, you select that, and it automatically starts from I. However, you can decide to start your page from I, V, or V, or whichever. I want to start it from I. So I bring it back to I, then OK. Our pages are numbered in Roman numerals. Up to the 4th page. And as you can see, this page still starts from 5, and we need to change this. So in step 4, we are going to insert the Arabic numerals. To do this, you leave your cursor on that page as mine is blinking. Then you go to Insert, then Page Number. And then Format Page Numbers. Here, we leave it as it is because we want our numbering to start from 1 to 3, right? So we come to the Start At and we select that, and it automatically starts from 1. However, you can decide to start your numbering from 2, 3, or any number. But I want it to start from 1, so I bring it to 1, then OK. You can see it has changed from 5 to 1 up to the end. So here we are done. So you know any page you insert above will be in Roman numerals, and any page you insert here will also be in Arabic numerals. Thank you for watching.